Today we are taking a quick look at SPIGEN's latest cases for the newest AirPods Pro 3rd generation. Let's start with two cases from the Urban Fit series. These are flexible covers coated with a soft fabric that feels really pleasant to hold. On the inside of the top lid there's a special adhesive layer that prevents the case from slipping off when you open your AirPods. Something that happens quite often with cheaper cases that lack this feature. In the box you will also find a special tool for pushing the AirPods out through the charging port opening, as well as metal carabiner. The case looks clean and minimalistic, and the overall set leaves a good impression. There is also a small cutout for the LED indicator, so you can easily see when your AirPods start charging. Our next case in this video is the Nano Pop. Those who are familiar with SPIGEN's phone cases will definitely recognize this model and its characteristic navy and yellow color scheme. For phone cases, the name Nano Pop refers to tiny dots that improve grip. However, I couldn't feel anything like that here, which is a bit disappointing. Still, this case has an interesting feature, a special button in the center that connects the top and bottom parts of the cover. That's actually a great idea, because if your AirPods have ever fallen in their case, chances are they flew right out onto the ground. That's happened to me once, and in that situation, a case like this would have been a real lifesaver. Next up we have the Vault, which looks fantastic. Alongside the Nano Pop, it's probably one of the best options when it comes to protection. It features a rugged thread texture running across the entire surface, providing excellent shock absorption in case of drops. Additionally, the two parts of the case connect magnetically, and I really like that design choice. It looks elegant, feels nice to the touch, and adds a sense of security. The next case is quite similar to the previous one, but this time we get an extra visual touch with carbon fiber details. However, it lacks the magnetic connection found in the Vault model. So, since both cases look quite similar, I'd personally go with the earlier one. And finally, something for the minimalists, the liquid crystal. A completely transparent case that doesn't come with a carabiner, but instead includes a well-made sturdy lanyard. All of these cases are already available in our online store. You will find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.